100 USDT because we are almost at $200 in our account, up from $1, guys. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and this is not Bitcoin today. This is going to be a special episode where I try Bitcoin binary options trading and try to take 1 USDT all the way up to 500 USDT. Completely casual video, completely not scripted. We're going to do this kind of like a live scenario. So I'm going to open up the CoinCasso exchange. I'm going to have all the links to everything that you guys need down below. But how we're going to start this, I'm going to start off my account with 1 USDT. Actually, it's got $1.91 in it. And we're going to do Bitcoin binary options trading. These are 60-second Bitcoin options. So basically, I just need to guess whether the price is going to go up or the price is going to go down or be higher or lower in 60 seconds. If I'm right in that 60 seconds, I get 80% profit. So with a 1 USDT bet, it's 80 cents USDT profit. And then we'll keep going up and literally do the most aggressive strategy ever. I'm also going to have a trading view up on another screen. I have the Holy Moly package bought on TradingView. So I have second tickers on candlestick charts, which is going to help me see moving average crossovers, support and resistance, RSI levels. So I'm going to use all the tools at my disposal, but I'm going to show you guys that I think this is possible. I don't know yet. We're starting this video. So let's take me down a little bit and let's get long short up. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to show you really quickly. You're going to pop up Google, right? So Google, you're going to type in the search bar app.coincasso.com, or you can check it out in the link in the description below. And on the left-hand side, all the way at the bottom here, it says apps. You are going to click on, let me move my face. Hold on. You guys can't see this. Boom. See how it says long short right there? This is the game that we're going to be playing. I'm going to move my face back to where it was because it was pretty over there. Yeah, we're going to click long short and we're going to play. But I've already got that window open. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Follow the link in the description down below. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the amount that you want to risk right here. I obviously have $1.91, so I'm going to start with $1 and we're going to go long or short. I am looking at my TradingView chart here. I don't have it up both screens because it's going to take too much real estate, and I kind of want you guys to get a nice feel for what's going on here. The chart behind me is live up to the second Bitcoin price. Holy crap, it hit 17,000. Like, that's great. I'm going to edit this video down because I don't want you guys to wait 60 seconds every single time I win or lose. So this was just the intro, and now I'm going to get into actually going. So I'm watching for moving average crossovers. We're seeing a little bit of price resistance right now on the 200 moving average, and basically I think the price is going to go up now. If the moving averages will just cross over, we'll go into our first position. Now, if you guys are wondering how to do this or how not to do it, definitely do not overtrade. Do not trade every 60 seconds because sometimes the price action doesn't move. Like, as you can see now, the Bitcoin price is literally flatlined right here. So I'm waiting for a nice movement. Okay, so we started to go down a little bit. Let's see if it continues that downtrend. That would be really nice. We're doing 60-second trades. During this time, you get a timer that goes for 60 seconds. And if you're winning during that 60 seconds, it flashes green. If you're losing during that 60 seconds, it flashes red. And again, 80% profit payouts. Hopefully we stay in the green. That would be very nice. Ooh, little spike up. Keep going down, please. Thank you. So we're doing extremely aggressive trading here, guys. The reason we're doing it this way is because we're risking $1 to get to 500. We're going to do $1 once we get up enough. We're going to do $2 bets, $3 bets, $5 bets, $10 bets, $20 bets. But hopefully it does not spike up and we will win. So now we're going to do 2 USDT, and we're going to try to basically every time we win, we're going to start doubling it. Again, waiting for a nice movement on the Bitcoin price. I think I'm going to go long here, guys. I think I just saw a moving average crossover, so we might have some luck and go on the upside or not. You never know. I think it'll go up though. Yeah, keep going. There we go. Nice comfort buffer zone right now. I think I think we'll get a nice solid pump out of this one. And again, guys, you have to realize that when you have a moving average crossover like that, you can't just go off of the moving average crossover. You have to anticipate in 60 seconds where that price will end up. If it's a quick correction and it'll start going down the other way, you have to foresee that. So for right now, we are in the green, one profitable trade. Hopefully this one will end in 12 seconds and be profitable. And 2 seconds, we are ready to go. Boom. Awesome. One again, so we're 2 back-to-back trades. Let's go 4 USDT on this trade. All right, so we're at $13 right now on this bet. So we're just going to keep watching the price, see if it goes down. This is becoming very, very interesting because, I mean, such a small time frame and such like rapid bets and constantly not trying to trash my account or my little nest egg that I've created. Technically, I'm not suggesting that any of you guys trade like this. Like, if you want to risk $1 and try to double your money, that's great because you're only ever risking $1 if you look at it in the grand scheme of things. But do not bet like this for your entire account. So we got ourselves another winner and we are at $23 right now. Let us max out the bet at 23 and we will keep on going. If you guys are seeing this chart right here, you see how the price action was going down and then is starting to level out. That means it's losing some momentum and should start going up. We are also seeing a moving average crossover and we are below that $17,000 level. So we do have some room to grow. Hopefully we can go in on a long position right here in just a moment. So I decided to go short because it rejected really, really hard on the 200 moving average. We should maintain this downward momentum for just a little bit, just enough time for us to get through the 60-second option, but maybe not. It might actually start coming up. I don't know, this price barrier right here, this 16,900 level, 16,974, like it seems to not like it, but I mean, I saw a couple of rejections here with a moving average crossover, so hopefully we can maintain the down. And we have ourselves another winner. Okay, so after a long wait, we are still waiting to get into a good position. I don't really see which way the price is going to go. So we went in on a long position. I'm seeing a nice break in the price where we went above certain resistance zone, so hopefully we broke through that and now we'll use it a little bit as support. But I mean, you see right here, like this was the resistance level, so I saw it coming up to that, and hopefully we can break through and maintain this up position. If we can stay up here, we'll be good. My only concern is that we're sitting close to that $17,000 mark, and at 17,000 it might reject hard again, but we still have 15 seconds, so maybe we can get a win out of this one and just keep doubling our bets because I want to get this done and over with. I'm still stressed out. All right, so we got another winner. Let's okay, so we're seeing, oh, nice, right away. So 70 some odd dollar bet. We're seeing a lot of resistance here on the top level. So I decided to go short because usually when it stagnates at a certain price, like it hit here, hit here, hit here. That's what I'm seeing on my trading view panel. And I mean, 3 hits on a resistance zone usually calls for a pullback. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. And again, it was at that $17,000 level. So I think that was a nice call on our part. Kind of easy pickings when it's at even numbers like that. So we will see if it stays down here or if it will go higher. Hopefully it won't, but you never know. Whoa, what happens with the price of Bitcoin? It's super volatile. That's why I don't recommend really going crazy like I'm doing. Definitely, this is just a demonstration to show you that it's possible. Don't risk all your money. Boom. So We are at 137 right now. We should probably lower the bets to maintain because I feel like our winning streak luck is about to run out. So we should probably lower it to 50 USDT. So we'll do 50, or actually let's do half. So half of 135, 137, let's just go $70, huh? So we're still waiting on a long or short position. Still not liking this $1,700 mark. I think it might reject again. You see we had a rejection, this fat rejection. So we're sitting right here at 1705. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll spike back down. Or if it pushes through, we might get some upwards momentum. I'm looking for a short though. I think I'm going to go short again because it is really not liking that $17,000 level. But you never know. I mean, it's really playing on the moving average. That's why I decreased the bets, because we've kind of pushed our luck when it comes to, win after win after win. I'm definitely going to have some losses in this challenge, but I think we built up enough capital to where we can do pretty sufficient bets now. I don't know. Hopefully we get to the point where we can do 100 USDT bets. But for right now, I like where this is going. I don't think that it will actually go back to where we got in at. So we're in the clear. Just need to maintain this position for another few seconds, 10 seconds, and we are in the clear for another long or short call. All right. Got another winner under our belt, and good timing too, because the price started to come back up. Let's go 100 USDT because we are almost at $200 in our account, up from $1, guys. I just want you to realize that, up from $1. Now, I want to be a little bit more cautious. I'm not going to overtrade, so there's either going to be some massive fast forward editing, or I will just cut to a time when we see a nice opening for a position. All right, I think, see how it's hitting resistance, and it just broke through. If this maintains its up position, we might get some momentum up, or it just might be a little bit of a trap for the people with buy positions as it breaks through. For breakout traders, this could just be a big pool of bears sitting, waiting to pull the price back down. So 100 USDT bet, let's see what's going to happen. I think we should push it down. Ah, look at that, perfect timing. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. The price broke above this resistance zone, above that $17,000 barrier, and the bears literally laid a trap for the bulls, all those breakout traders. Price rejected pretty hard. We're still, I don't think it'll go back up to the $17,000 mark within the next 60 seconds, because a lot of this was hurting people, so people might get scared and start selling off. So hopefully we can maintain this downwards momentum, which we are doing perfectly. And we got about 15 seconds left. This is kind of easy right now, guys. When you get on a nice cusp like this of 17,000 where there's nice resistance, I mean, you can pretty much guarantee which way the price is going to go, and especially in 60 seconds. So boom, we're up 80 USDT on that one. We're at $273. Half of that is going to be 135. So we did have another winner. I thought it was going to maintain a nice downwards trend. I was going to get in right away, but we are starting to flatline here. We're going to keep our bets at 100 USDT till the end of this challenge, because I don't want to risk too much. So as you can see, we're still sitting kind of flatlined. My anxiety is building. We are getting closer to the moving averages, but I think we're rejecting here. So I'm going to go short because we're seeing, look at that, rejection, 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 and boom, another rejection. So we were rejecting against the 200 moving average. We are really low on the RSI, so we might come back up, but with cryptocurrencies, it has the potential to ride low or high in the RSI for quite some time. That's how you get the parabolic spikes up or down. It really didn't like this $17,000 level, pushed down, flatlined a little bit, and had no bullish momentum up. So the bears obviously are going to keep pushing it down. Hopefully we can maintain this for the next 25 seconds, because I need to win this option so that I can get done with this challenge. All right, another winner on our hands. Let's just sit and wait for the next good opportunity. You don't want to overtrade, guys. You want to wait for good signals. You want to wait for good moving average crossovers. You want to wait for support and resistance levels, you know, either doing their job or breaking through them. I have a bunch of indicators up, guys. So the best tools that you can do for this is use indicators on TradingView. Yeah, it is a bit of an investment to get the incredible premium package on TradingView, but I think it's worth it in my opinion if you're going to be doing stuff like this, because you need better charts than what's offered here. You need more analysis. You need the indicators to show you the direction. So we're sitting about $30 below that $1,700 level. So it might have the potential to actually go back up there before it rejects again. I think we might actually just do a 200 USDT bet. I know it's a big risk, but definitely want to finish this challenge as fast as possible. Currently we're sitting at about an hour worth of trading right now. So hopefully we can just get it done and I can show you guys the success or the complete failure and loss. I mean, this is a challenge. I don't even know how this is going to end. I might blow my entire account. But again, I only did risk $1 to get here. See, so we were at 17, right? And then it dropped back down, flatlined here, flatlined here. For me, what I'm seeing is a 618 level retracement. So I think it might actually push back down. This might be a trap, another trap laid by the bears for the breakout traders. Yeah, so you see this level right here, this level right here, like it rejected, brought down to this level, rejected, starting to see a little bit of downwards price movement. We actually might go short on this position. I think short is the way to go. Lot of rejection, guys, a lot of rejection here. So okay, with that move, we did have a moving average crossover. So for the next 60 seconds, it might stay in the down position. And again, like I was saying, that's a 618 level retracement. So it was down, came up, hit the 618 level, and then continue its downward move. Got 30 seconds left on this. My hands are just wet, cold, and clammy. I know I'm only risking $1 overall, but I've built up the balance quite high, and now it's becoming real for me. Whew, stay down there, stay down there. Oh, please, no. 5 seconds, please. Whew, got another winner. All right, so we did it, guys. We're at 513 USDT. That's, whoa. So 1 hour of trading. Miraculously, we didn't have any losses. But you gotta just also have to remember, I wasn't trading every 60 seconds. I was able to wait it out, wait for good opportunities, wait for moving average crossovers. Like, let me show you what I was looking at really quick so you guys can see exactly. Basically, you know, you're waiting for this. You're waiting for a moving average crossover. And hold on, let me adjust my screen a little bit so you guys can see better. You're waiting for a moving average crossover like this, right? And then see here, it was kind of dancing. I didn't see the good support and resistance. Then I saw the rejection up high and it came back down, moving average crossover, maintained that for 60 seconds, tested the 200 moving average, rejected, so we went short again, and then we had another moving average crossover here, which is why I went in again. This is why you need the indicators to do the technical analysis, to do good estimations on what you think the price action is going to do. But yeah, guys, we did a challenge, $513.12 USDT in the matter of 1 hour from 1 USDT. So if this is more than you guys make in a day, maybe you should consider trying this. On a much smaller scale, do not go as aggressive as I did. That is extremely reckless. Only risk 2 to 3% of your balance. Then you can afford to lose 50 times and you'll still have a balance. You know what I mean? Before you're completely flattened out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. I hope you saw the potential of the money that you could make on this platform. Again, all of the links are in the description below. I kind of have a little bit of hankering to bet all 500 USDT, but I'm not going to do that because it's not even an option on this platform. The highest bet you can do is 200 USDT. So thank you guys for joining me today. Again, all the links are in the description below. Have fun. Good luck trading, and I hope that you win a lot of money.